This is video number 4. In this, we will study about the dihybrid cross. As we had studied earlier, the Mendel had chosen initially the one pair of contrasting feature. After that, he took in consideration the two pairs of the contrasting feature, and when the cross is performed between the two pairs of contrasting feature, it is known as the dihybrid cross. जैसा कि हमें पहले पढ़ा था कि मेंडल ने पहले एक जोड़ी विपरीत लक्षण वाले पौधों के मध्य में क्रॉस कराया था, उसे हम एक संकर क्रॉस कहते थे। उसके पश्चात मेंडल ने दो जोड़ी विकल्पिक लक्षण या विपरीत लक्षण वाले पौधों के मध्य क्रॉस कराया और इस क्रॉस को हम द्विसंकर क्रॉस कहते हैं। फॉर दिस द मेंडल टुक टू प्लांट्स, फर्स्ट वैरायटी of tall and red colored flower plant and another dwarf and the white colored flower plant. These are the parental plant, and as we know the tallness will be exhibited by the letter capital T, and the red will start with the R, capital R. Therefore we will write here RR, and this is for dominating feature. All dominating features should be written in the capital letters. And another recessive variety is the of shortness or short-headed plant and the white colored flower plant. We will write in contrast to this for our convenience. Here is the capital T, therefore for our convenience we will write here small t. Here for red color capital R, and for white color we will write here the small r. These are the parental variety. TTRR means tall and red colored flower plant. Small TTRR means dwarf and white colored flower plant. When these two plants are allowed for gametogenesis, as a result of gametogenesis, number of pair or chromosome will reduce to half. Here 2T and 2R are present, and as a result of gametogenesis, only single T and the single R will be present in the gametes. Same will happen in the case of recessive plants also, small t and the small r. When these gametes are allowed to fuse together, that is after fertilization, they will produce a variety which is a hybrid variety, and it will contain capital T with small t, capital R with small r. And as a result of which, all variety which are get produced in first generation, that is in F1 generation, will be tall and red, and this is hybrid variety. When this hybrid variety is allowed for self-pollination in the next consequent generation, again now we will draw the checkerboard, and here you will see that the two pair of the contrasting feature, therefore the probability of the formation of the gamete is the 4 type. The gametes may be tall and red, they may be tall and white, they may be dwarf and red and dwarf and white. We will write this gamete on the horizontal axis as well as on the vertical axis also. Then we will simply join all these letters together, but we should remember one thing, that the capital letter should be written first and the small letter after the capital letter. We will join this letter together, capital T with capital T, capital R with the capital R. Here you will see TTRR. This TR will join with this capital T in the small r. For that we will write capital letter first and small letter after that. So capital T with capital T, capital R with small r. This TR will join this small t capital R. So we will write here first capital T, then small t, then capital R and capital R. This capital T, capital R will join with small t and small r, and as a result of which capital T, small t, capital R and small r are get formed. In this way you have to write or you have to fill the complete checkerboard. Capital T with small r, capital T with capital R, TTRR. This capital T small r, capital T small r, TTRR. Capital T small r, small t capital R, TT capital R small r. capital T small r with capital small t small r. We will write here capital T with small r with small r. Same in the same pattern we will complete the checkerboard, and after this we will analyze the phenotypic character here. Whenever there is a single T is present or single R, capital R is present, at that time you must take in mind or keep in mind that the variety of the plant will be always tall and red. And when there is a capital T with small t and small r is present, at that time the plant will be tall and white. And when small t with capital R or small t with capital R and small r present, they will show the dove and the red color flower plant. And small t, small r, whenever they fuse together, as it happens in the last block, the plant will be dark and white. In this way, you have to form this checkerboard and draw the vertical and horizontal line, and write down here this combination TR, small t with small r on the vertical as well as on the horizontal axis, and simply join together. You will get a phenotypic ratio in 9:3:3:1. It means the 9 plants will be tall and red, 3 plants will be tall and white, and 3 plants will be dwarf and red, and 1 plant will be dark and the white.